why does your vibrato suck? In other words, why does our vibrato suck? And why do we feel that way as guitar players? This is super common, especially with me. And I know if it's happening with me, I know it must be happening with you guys. So let me show you what I think a sucky vibrato is and how we're not really listening to it. It kind of sounds like this. It's just desperately shaking the guitar just to get that vibrating sound. The problem with this is that you make an already electric sounding guitar sound even more electric. Now, the idea of vibrato is to make it sound organic and human-like, right? To get the thing. So I want to show you guys 3 different type of vibratos here to implement into your playing and technique, how you hold the guitar from and how you position it and pull the weight here to get that, like that thing. And what I'm doing with my right hand here, I'm gonna show you guys 3 different things. So I'm gonna go through some things here and go. See if you can notice it. Now, so if you did notice it, that's great. I did 3 different type of vibratos there. One was obviously just the on a still note, just trying to vibrato but very slowly, which I'm going to explain. The 2 was a chord vibrato. Right? That thing sounds very good. Right? And the 3rd one is obviously the bending vibrato. Alright, so let's learn the very first one, okay, which kind of sounds like this. See how nice that is, right? I'm trying to make it sing, and what I'm doing is basically I'm trying to move the string as slowly as possible. Now, obviously, you cannot do that without leaning on your guitar. If you're just going, it'll be very hard to do that vibrato. It is crucial that with this area of your hand, you place it on this beautiful, if you do have a Strat, if you have another guitar, obviously you're gonna have to figure out how you're gonna put that hand. But I've figured out just the enough amount of weight to press down on this side to get the tension right, to move my guitar up and down in a humanly voice type of way. Sounds like this. So I'm pressing it. You see that tension where I'm pressing this? So if I move it forward, this is what's going on. Right? And I'm pressing this because if I do this, it's gonna go all over the place. So it's very important that you press down and get that. Right? So that is number 1. And it sounds beautiful, right? Number 2 is very similar, but using chords. So if you're doing like a, right? If you're doing, so I'm still doing the same thing. I'm pressing down here and I'm moving it back and forth. So I'm basically doing with my left hand pulling down and with my right hand. So I'm basically doing this, right? Very cool trick if you want to get your vibratos right. Obviously not the BB King one. BB King would, but I still have my hand. He basically would do it with one finger, just shake the guitar. Different technique, right? This is a completely different technique. So with the chord thing, I'm still doing the same thing. I'm hitting a chord and I'm shaking it, right? That whole thing. Now, the third one, I'm glad we got this one, right? This is, add this to anywhere, to your slow playing, fast playing, gonna sound phenomenal. The third one is a little bit tricky because it's a bending vibrato, right? So I'm no longer, now what I've just taught you to lean here, I'm no longer leaning because I'm holding the guitar with that one string that I'm bending, right? I'm holding it with this, so no more leaning. If you want to do that bending vibrato and sound good, I just have the hand here because I have the tension on that string because it's hanging, right? It's hanging. So that lean here, you take a lot of weight off. You can still touch it, but you take a lot of weight off and it sounds like this. I've literally I'm just touching it. I have no weight to do this anymore. So it's... All right, sorry, it sounds good sometimes. But so these three things that you should sit down and really refine because these are what gives us our voice as guitar players. So let's go through all three of them at the same time. This is how you want to use it. Right, that's the... Anyway, if you guys like this tone, make sure to check out my Patreon. It'll be there. Sounds fantastic. And I think that's it for today's video. I love you guys and I'll see you next time.